Khubor phi baro shagathub Khubor jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san minta kasngi kilong. Yo biang ki pulit iki suloi balasyak ni nawa umkra Shillong. Yaro ke HSPDP ke sorkar MDA bashim kiaban penbet iki jing e kaput bat duna ki nonglet shongkai hanan polok na kadaw bampat IT ka baro arteli. Bat mintangin pas ki Khubor bakam benya. Ki pulit Meghalaya rengkat ke kenhun search and rescue team minta kasngi kila yo biang ye kilai teli ki suloi nawa umkra Shillong hadin beki briu ki ba umla ban itu kila yo ban kini kenthet ya ki tiar yasiat na ki pulit hakini ki khendiat sngi beladep umentri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ki sangma ula kintu ye kitu ki bela yo kini ya ki tegi suloi na ki pulit ban penpai no ye ki na kaliang jong ki pulit ru kila yo jing tep ba kitu ki bela yo kini ya ki tegi suloi kila lit bread ye ki hawa umkra.
Finally, the search long operation and the tension that has been running high in Shillong to find these weapons that they finally found. In fact, all the 3 weapons that they finally found. Can you all stand for a picture, please? All together, please.
Yeah.
You can pick up. Baji, once again.
Bapak kumuy bang tu.
One load, barok point.
Tadi bak gue. Bak kamu sini. Bak. Perut cabi. One more. Abiang mo. Hey, siado. I bring that another one. That one. We got this one. It's a very tough job. Even though my boys has done very good job, so I congratulate them and all of you media person also. Thank you very much. So Chang, you write the name? You write in our name. You write nicely more. For me, SRT search and rescue team. Then after that, you write the name.
Kasing San Himasima Hill State People's Democratic Party minta kasngi kala shim ya karai ban kentu ya ka sorkar ban wanra ya karai jong ka sorkar Jylla hapo ka ying dor bar thau an ka Meghalaya ban dawa na ka sorkar India ban pen kalano ya ka para 12A bat clause B jong ka riti sinshar jong ka ri India ya kini karai la shim ha ka jing ya lang jong ka seng balapulong ha Emily Hostel ha Shillong ha ka be day bat kaniu president ka HSPDP uba pi pangniang ulong
amendment to the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. The party ga jongi kare ga way di issue no ko por me hoping ka 12 khadara ya 12A. Hagani ga kaya ga jongi mentapat abang ipai ya kani ga constitution mo ni don kam ban friend ya kani bang don kam gin amen ya kani ga para 12AB. Ya kani ngan i of secretary in batai kam ha ma tidon ni kam dibangi la ha sya sorkar. Nadu Kasem area kandai milapa ya ka memorandum ke jongi na ka party but amen itu ke particular para 12A juga clause B milapa ru sa union ministry au Amit Shah G bulan union minister ya kan ka jing dawa jongi demen hakani bawan hangni haka Jylla jongi union minister milapa yang dai ya kan memorandum kani ke bentang bahasa i minister juni sa patai kamha te khatu ni don kani ka kuai pada ke bentang ba kum ke parti ni don san pulai tili islam milaya kum ke Jylla me dunia menta kan rakhe ni rap san putri islam ni ke ong golden jubilee te kum ke parti ni le perkhat bangin su dei ban klet no ye tu ki hill state fighter tiba move ye ke hill state aku ko la ka dei jong ke efficiency जैसे कि ग्रुप हम तो किधर बट SPDP बड़े का मीनो कम हदीन बंग यो ये सब स्टेट नाइस बांग तो बा नी ये ले ये फुल फ्लेज स्टेट dengi pada ngidon sakalang ka role jongka SPDP ba palat life the kispamu ki broadcast ni sha set patok ibadan live iban ri bana ibar bana iba kunta termo dengi yong bala ka state ka ni rakhi ni rap sanku snem jongka ni ke parti isuri mandong baru itu kibran bentala naduka bang ong mane joka efficiency mo movement ni nam dai ban ket yati nang ta itu kiba join naga efficiency movement saga ni SPDP ya ka full state bangin dai berkat ku ba hoping ba kiwe ni ngela ni susi ba no mangin ju osno ya ka teng joki tingi bu kala je kili ba hato kili ki dai dai ki state fighter na ko banta ka state of Meghalaya ikum kita gi don ba spotrik tu November gindam je kedu jong baro di volunteer la ka dai jong ka Chelsea lang ni jong ke ses ni pi ba ni don ni kita ba at least ni sali bala da sarkar ka ya ha bi kwa ba sarkar kan itu dia ki
Habukren hakinong tho kot Khubor batlat pathai Khubor u president ke HSPDP uba pi pangnyang ulai thu bakaseng kala ai khubleya ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabla shimkhia banya pen bet yo put usam hapreng ka Meghalaya bat Assam
iba dei kani ka sarkar la nam bakla banong bagla shimkhia kata-kata ba shwa banwan ra ya ni kendu hapreng ki ars Jylla ni ki ars minister Meghalaya Health Minister juga don on official meeting but CM juga Assam lah bun sil banyo kata ka mesin jong ka Shillong but ringkat ke jing ya shimjimut jongi barkai ki partners dengan MDA but mentalele ila shimru ya jing ajimut jongi ba ya barok political parties mo ni don lang amta ma ka district committee jong ka interstate boundary bangi bu lang ki banya khat lang banya rai lang ke mo khatam bangi yo ban rai kun ka state halo ka issue inalor ta ni pau ya kajing sungu ya sota na marba kala perum kamru ya kajing pentai ini purusam da ka ba omsom la ino what is seng halang ru de mo bat kiwe don interest ya ni kam pentai kam tam ya ka dis council ba ADC ki lengba kajing do di jong ADC jongi ron tu di shimkhia ba ki ajimut yang ni lap ko ka West Kasih district ko ka jing penyat jong kari committee di penpau isungu upaya ka West Kasih Hills government kalau bu ya way di emergency ba reliton dengan tongha kalau minister benrom dan hangnik sekretari ka party ban chair dan ban lead ya ka committee berbeda ba jong ka West Kasih district dan penpau instrumen dan ngejru ni maka ya solution very long pending dispute kaba omsom la pan settle da ka jing kelang da ai lang da collective responsibility juga sarkar kunjung Meghalaya opposition juga Meghalaya so ka jungi
Hakabaya bat kajing suk syong shengan hapo ke Jylla uba pangniang ulong bakaseng HSPDP ke pediang hun ya kajing thung jong ke sarkar ya ka judicial inquiry bantok ya kajing siat yap jong ki pulit yo erang HNLC balawan pendem wad uba che thank you bat penpau ru kajing sngongu jong ki ya ki bhai ngasem jong ba thank you ke bala penpau bekim kwa shu ban yu ya kinu kajing ya ki
kebenin kong ai ni plan dia law and order problem the situation kepada di Singapore Shillong city kum ka party ni kong ikan pau ya jing sukhya dengan sin kalau ada tu jing ja ka bala tarno u surrender general secretary jong HNLC ba saya staff thank you de kum ka party ni ikan pau ya jing snow si ba ka ni keren bu ya itu badan ti polis segi ba nangai yang kan wan pendai ni semua gumba kata ke jile balong hakak ya jadi ibu di kan daerah biasa katung aan ko ini halor ni penpau di semua ita government bahwa kita constitute dan institute ya judicial inquiry independently dan bisa buat benda dapat tip ya kan kata bak dasan dengan sinja. Pengiru ni kerpat ya baru di Noeram Shillong, di Nafisa Shillong yang mulai area berkuai. Bakin air dalam bakin ini kuri tanpa nilai dan lap. Hambai ke jing sisa. Di berpau ya ke jing soi hab jembut ya ke jing berpau jom ke kesem jing bak series terkini baki periang suhai ya ke inquiry, judicial inquiry. Hakaba la perpatu ini lang baru mungkin sistem ni bari jogan ke Jylla. Bangin nam don su ka wepat ke jisu ka kum wepat dari ban syak ba up ya kapor adu ba gani inquiry kan penmi ya report ka syai jongka ba dia ke ba dia bende tumkaan
Hakabaya Day bat kajing penkelaya kapara 12A bat clause B jongkari tisin char jongkari India Umintri Renekton Tongkar ulabatai syapangkani.
Win seka parlimen na kapata kita ki anya ke baki bom ya hap bat putri kam sengi. Kipun ki ya ke bana kapor ki bangim snow ya hap bat putri kam namar kam ya hap bat culture jengi kam ya hap bat kurkum im jengi sene ban bot ya kita ki anya jo kasakar India. Larangin jinda don kata ka state assembly ka don ka board ban pass seka resolution ban penong an ban nam putri kam ya kita ki anya ki ba Ibu mihap terkam hangai ini. Andre, kan ba kapadon kata pada kajengai than yangi, ya kesokar Meghalaya kajengai than ban konvensi ke parlimen, ban leckat sidu presiden, ban yo ya kata approval. Jadi mana kata nak keling juga parti jengi sesin pak. Kan ba karadon kena kaji keren. Hakaba nak keling juga kesokar Meghalaya kan yo ban pa ya kileki recommendation saya ke sokar India ban yo ek amendment nak kata kasik sidul. Nagaling ke parti jungi ngilarai menta bagi top biang saya kasokar Meghalaya bagi simtia ya kena kam ban keren ban terwa syaka sokar India ban amenno ya kena 12 AB bat halor kene ngel sim ka step ka ba kam kia da ka ba nagaling ke parti ngila rai bagi top syaka sokar ngil top syaku chief minister ban rakno da ka government resolution Banwan ra eka amendment haya kene ka 12 AB. Ta kene ke jingrai ke bak hamkia ke padon kam hadu kata-kata. Pan oi, lada kedon ke jing ngin saya bali discuss. Saya hadin juga ni siti ke ba chief minister yo nak parti jungi. Ni tibe nanti bon khot ka discussion ka kabinet ya ke pengen saya ban clear bani keren ni kene. Ban lada kia hak ni baro isngau ba kade ke por ke kam hadu kata-kata. Ban ra nak sunum ke government resolution hakane ke assembly banwan hakaba gindawa yang sekar India ban syak bagaimana rak kena amendment ban amen no kena ka AB ya ke bagi kwit nanti bakal nong kajing kermen ya ka state Meghalaya hakaba kwit nanti bekini kijing yak he kini kijing yak sat jong ki ba ya ki bakim ya hak berkam kan nom daslam ban sop ya kita problem ladang idon kapor hala ka jong ka state la jong ban penbet kita ki kwit nanti ba kita kerja kerman bagi dia balik keren hak sokar kembali dan lang sokar dia balik keren ni kene pada kalong kabala kalong kecing menjur jong baro dikit nanti makan wan ke government resolution hak bedi lo kene ka amendment ya ketua LP
Hadin saw benai belakang ya kanon polok ke jaka beki briu nak ke Jylla bat syabar Jylla kismat benit syongkai pengat haka arpulai terik mentau benai nailar arjar arpwe ke sorkar kala ailat ban pli ya ki jaka yat kai pengat Nakaliang ke Don Bosco Media Network kalau yolat benit pet ya kawai ni kijaka syongkai pengat hakabaya day bat kajing bun jeng kinong wan kai syanon polok lalap pa kajing wan kinong syongkai kalong tang kendiat ngut na pedeng ki babun ki bawan syakni kijaka kila syak pen paino namar bakim pantap ai tika COVID-19 baro a dos.
It definitely feels wonderful. We were just passing by, so we were friends, so we just wanted to chit chat, so we just tried to enter in. Fortunately, we were allowed to because we are vaccinated. So only the people who are already vaccinated with their both doses are allowed, along with their vaccine certificate. So that's the thing, and it's definitely a good experience now. Yeah. They asked if we are vaccinated completely or not. We said yes, we are. So they wanted to see our COVID vaccine certificate. They did see that, and they asked for our reference ID, the number in the certificate. So they took that, and finally they allowed us to enter. Well, we are not. They did not tell anything as such. Yeah. They told us to. We came together, although, but still they told us don't be too close to each other. Sit separately and wear your mask all the time. So yeah, that's it. That is what they told us.
Habaya kren bat IFS ukailash bhimsau bhavan ulai thu bagajing duna jong ki bawan jungok kai shanan polok ki deitang ki bakhat prasnem shajrong bat sha tangi ki tu ki bladep ban itika baro ardos bat ki deiru ban bot ye ki kendon baptha dakak tanat ka kot ka khia.
Since it is the first day also maybe and it is opening after long time. People are not aware that park is open. And even not only this response is low because of the park is opening after long time, maybe because people are not fully vaccinated also. So that's why response is low. Currently, it is 19 people have visited Lost Lake, and we are allowing current only fully vaccinated people. So because of maybe fully vaccinated people number is very less, so that's why maybe number is also less currently. It is for protect as per the guidelines by that our district administration and government only. So based on their advice and direction, we are allowing only fully vaccinated people. Actually, we asked them to produce their certificate because already Arogya Setu and COVID app that shows how whether that person has vaccinated or not. So we check for the vaccination status of each of the individual, and we will verify with the identity card also. So those who are vaccinated only, the fully vaccinated, we are allowed. What's like it is currently open every day as per the order by the district administration, but it will be closed on the Tuesday for the maintenance. Sunday it is open, so it will be open from 9 to 5 for the visitors. We have instructed all the staff what to check. There are two patrolling teams, one at south side and another is at north side. So they constantly monitoring all the visitors and instructing them to wear mask at all the times and maintain social distancing.
Habaya nujor ya gajing yo lumpisa ne kinong wan kai shanon polok hakwe kisnem but hakini ki arsnem nakaliang IFS KB Bhavan ulai thu bakalahir bha nakadaw jung gajing pang COVID-19.
Actually, la 2017 to 2019, average revenue was almost 50 lakh rupees per year, and number of visitors were approximately 5 lakh per year. But lockdown came into the 2020. The number of visitors reduced, like from 5 lakh to 1 lakh only, and revenue also reduced by from 51 lakh to, like 50 lakhs to only 14 lakhs. And this year currently till now we have revenue of 16 lakh only, and number of visitors are 82. So revenue is more as compared to last year, this year, because of the rate has been revised by the government. So it is almost double as compared to last year. So because of that one, revenue has.
But dakituki Khubor ngila poisha kabukut tat hadu pengide syambiang khublei shibun.